Modal verbs are special words that help express feelings or attitudes about actions. The verb should is used to talk about what we expect to happen. When we use should, we are saying that something is likely or probable to happen based on what we know. The modal verb should is used when we expect something to happen. This means we believe it is very likely that the action will take place. For example, if the train is usually on time, we say the train should arrive soon because we expect it to come. Here are some simple examples to help understand how to use should for expectation. You can say the train should arrive soon, meaning you expect the train to come shortly. He should be here by now means you believe he has already arrived. It should work fine means you expect it to work without problems. Besides expectation, should can be used in other ways. It gives advice or recommendations, like you should see a doctor. It talks about what is likely to happen, like the train should be arriving soon. It also can express regrets about the past, like she should have called earlier, meaning she did not call but it was expected. Finally, should is used in polite questions, like should we start now? More examples of using should for expectation include sentences like the meeting should start at 2 p.m., meaning it is expected to begin then. She should finish by 5 p.m. means she is likely to be done by that time. They should call us soon shows expectation of a phone call. The bus should be on time means you expect the bus not to be late. The structure to form sentences with should is simple. Use subject followed by should and then the base form of the main verb. For example, the rain should stop soon. This means you expect the rain to end soon. We should win the game means you believe winning is likely. He should know better expresses an expectation that he understands something. Try practicing with these sentences. The package should arrive today. You should feel better soon. They should remember the appointment. The results should be ready tomorrow. Each sentence shows an event or action we expect to happen. To make negative sentences with should, use should not or shouldn't. For example, the rain shouldn't last long means you expect the rain to stop quickly. She shouldn't be late shows you believe she will arrive on time. They shouldn't forget means you expect them to remember.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.